The air in the Beverly Wilshire's wedding suite is thick with the scent of lilies and cold sweat. Mike, Chris Hemsworth, has successfully infiltrated the inner sanctum, disguised as an elite security detail for the billionaire groom, Stephen Monroe. Every movement is a choreographed masterclass in invisibility. Mike's hands are steady as he eyes the briefcase containing $5.5 million in cash, his breath regulated to the point of mechanical rhythm. He is seconds away from his final score, unaware that the courier standing across from him is actually Detective Lou Loopsnick, Mark Ruffalo, whose rumpled suit has been replaced by a uniform that barely hides his own desperate anticipation.